Hello, it's Doug Benson with Esker Properties. We are at 4200 South Pennsylvania in Lansing. And I'm going to give you a tour of a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, plus office, plus laundry room, 1,700 square foot apartment that's for rent. So, we just stepped through the entry door. Over here is the office room. We have new windows throughout the whole building. This particular unit has new carpet. As you can see, we went with taller baseboard trim. We're going to come out of the office and turn right. And here is your living room. A new AC, big windows, real bright unit too. And you're right next to the quality dairy. Let me point the camera this way. Here's your dining room. We did only tile floors. And here is your kitchen. And it's a massive kitchen. We have new appliances, new countertops, new lights. I'll stop listing all the stuff we did. I'll just let you guys take it in. I'm walking through the kitchen right now. And here's kind of a treat. I'll step across the hall. Oops, this apartment has a self-contained laundry room. And maybe a washing machine with a dent in it because I threw open the door. But how about that? We'll step down here. Here's the first of 2 full baths. Nice big vanity. That's a stand-up shower at the end of this bathroom. Okay? We'll back out into the hallway. We'll turn the corner, and here's where the bedrooms live. But before we get to them, here's the second full bath. Vanity, big mirror, nice lights. You can see around the corner. Here's the full shower. Okay, so we're back out into the hallway, and here's bedroom number 1. Look at the size of this bedroom. I'm going to step in a corner and point back so you can see the closet. You can see really how bright it is in here. Full bank of windows. We have a nice linen closet in the hallway. Here's bedroom number 2. Which might even be a little bit bigger than bedroom number 1. Let me step into the corner again. You have a closet there. And as you can see, a closet behind the door. And let's go across the hallway into bedroom number 3. Now get back in the corner here. Bedroom number 3 has an air conditioner in it. And again, 2 closets, a massive closet at the end of the bedroom. So this is our 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1,700 square foot with office, with laundry room apartment building. It sure looks beautiful, but don't take my word for it. Give us a call at 517-290-6739. If you're interested, or to go to our website at www.eskerproperties.com. Thank you and have a great day.